Let's compare the Instax Link printer to the Kodak Disposable camera here. It's a daylight disposable camera. So the biggest difference between these is that the Instax Link is actually going to use Instax mini film. They're credit card size pieces of film. You put a cartridge in here, it just opens up in the back, and you put the cartridge in, and you can take 10 exposures on your phone and print them out on here. And you can choose any digital photo on your phone to have printed onto that Instax mini film. The difference with the Kodak Disposable is that this is a true disposable camera. It's got a 35 millimeter film inside of here, and it's got a 800 ASA light rating for that. So you can take photos in daylight, you can take photos in partial shade. There's no flash on this, and you're literally just gonna snap a photo the old-fashioned way on there. You've got a little frame counter on the top here, and then you have to send this in though in order to have the photos from the Kodak daylight disposable camera printed. With the Instax Link, whatever you print is going to come right out, and it's going to develop in about 3 to 5 minutes on that film. So if you have existing digital photos you want to print out on film, the Instax Link is a great option. If you want to do instant printing, this is a great option. The Kodak Disposable, bigger, physically bigger print once you get it printed out. 35 millimeter film is going to produce a higher quality of print, and it's that traditional camera experience looking through there, where whatever you see and whatever light comes in is going to end up what's on the film. But the downside is you are going to have to send this off to get it developed. So, just two different options for your photographic journey.